Intelligent people, Mr. Sicko asking today we are gonna be covering Uxin. This video will be short. I was just trying to include some kind of my opinions about it, some information, so let's just get straight into it. Overall on Friday, as you can see, Uxin did manage to push it to the downside. It was down like 3.6%. It's all the other stocks. In this case, you can see that the Uxin is like just above this zone that they have right there. It's to like 41 at the moment. I will add a line right there. Let me just go to the line chart. So this line is like pretty much a pretty like great key level into the market. It was a like a resistance and now like it was a support. So like let me just use that. In this case, if I scroll a little bit just like that, as you can see, it has been falling to the downside. Like there's like no reason why you don't have to kind of just take the opportunity average down right now. Like there is the slightest reason why you should not probably do that. Just go ahead and do that. I'm not financial advice. I don't want you to listen to me, but this is just my opinion on it right now. Okay, take advantage of the situation right now. But the thing is that I'm down. Okay, I'm down off on my account. I have two accounts that I'm holding Uxin. Okay, I'm down in of like all two of my accounts with Uxin, and now I'm not worried in the slightest. Okay, because we kind of went through like with the same thing with NIO or NIO in the beginning. Okay, just buy even more, and we're gonna be seeing what will be happening with Uxin. But I have a like a really big well, like bold statement right here. So I don't know what will be happening. So I did manage to even heard this like from somewhere, but is there a chance that the completely uneducated on the EVs? Okay, so could we be wondering if Uxin could begin like converting gas engines to EVs with the government backing and the goal of EVs by 2025? 2025, would it be possible for Uxin to get additional financing or financial breaks to cover the conversion cost? Some people are talking about like that this is impossible. For example, like some people say that it is impossible because like Nio is gonna sell the used EVs by themselves, you know. But in this case, Nio put a 100 million like M in Yuxin, so I don't think that they would like compete against their own like investment. They have more important things to do. Like this is just my opinion about that. But now uh, that we're talking about this maybe, but and this is a huge maybe. Okay, one day if the Chinese government wants to take the road, Yuxin could do the Yuxin could do that. Okay, so however, it really do not see. I will really not like I'm not going to be talking about till right around 2025, 2030. We're going to be seeing like what will be happening about that. But yeah, guys, this is about it for me right now. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Like I don't think why the people are so kind of scared about this. Like also like we have earnings on the 1st of December. There's a lot of times till 1st of December around yeah, around like 40 days. So yeah, it will take time. So peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day and bye.